Hello student, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. I am Ravindra Khandelwal before you with a new exercise 2.2 from the chapter 2 Polynomials of ninth class Maths NCERT. Now I am going to cover exercise 2.2 here. In exercise 2.2, the first sum is find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus t at x is equal to 0. It's mean when we will put x is equal to 0 in the given polynomial, then what the result will be there, that is the value of the polynomial for that particular value. So if we are thinking x is equal to 0 in your first part, polynomial is this is the required polynomial. Okay, so you put here x is equal to 0. So suppose the given polynomial is px, so px is equal to this, and here at the place of x I'm going to put 0, so 5x this means 5 into 0, 4x square, 4 into 0 square, like this. So we are getting, when we are putting the value x is equal to 0, we are getting the polynomial value is 3. When we are putting x is equal to minus 1, value is minus 6, and when x is equal to 2, value is minus 3. Now for next, p is equal to 0, p is equal to 1, p is equal polynomial, and at the place of the variable 0, 1, 2 for each of the following. So we have to find out the value. So when I put 0 at the place of y, here you see, okay, you see the result. This is your required result. So after solution, p0 is 1, p1 is 1, and p2 is 3. Similarly, in these exercise, in these three parts, you can solve, get the value. Now I am going for third. Which of the verify whether the following are 0 of the polynomial indicate against them. I have already told to you, if there is a polynomial given and we are putting it equal to 0, then by which value of the variable the polynomial becomes the 0, that is known as the 0 of the polynomial. So here we see it is an polynomial px, okay, and we have to put x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now we will put, and we see I have put x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So I'm getting 3x plus 1, 1 by 3. I'm getting 0. So yes, it is a 0 of this polynomial. Similarly, in this 5x minus 5, I'm putting 4 by 5 at the place of the x. 5 into 4 by 5 minus pi is equal to 4 minus pi. So this is not equal to 0. So this 4 by 5 is not a 0 of this polynomial. Like this you can check for remainings also. Okay, I think you can easily. For fourth part, similarly in this polynomial, okay, I am putting L into minus m upon L plus m. So this becomes 0. So I can say this, yes, it is a 0. Similarly, remainings we can do. This is 3x square minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 upon root 3 square minus 1. So if you are going to solve it, your value will be 0. So yes, it is a 0. But when you are going to put this value, your value will not be 0. For this it is 0. For this it is not 0. Okay, I hope you got. Now here fourth sum is saying find the 0 of the following, each of the following case. I have already told you, if we are going to find the 0 of any polynomial, we have to first write it equal to 0. So for first part I am going to tell you how to do. The first part is x plus 5. So we will put equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5. So this minus 5 is the 0 of this point. Okay, you can see here x plus 5 is equal to x minus 5. So minus 5 is 0 for this point. I think you got it. Similarly, you can do for remainings. Suppose here 3x. So I can write here 3x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. So for this value, okay, for this fifth, okay, x is equal to 0. So 0 is the 0 of this. I think you can see here 3x is equal to 0. Similarly for others also. In 6, this equation is cx plus t is equal to 0. So I can write here x is equal to minus t upon c. So